Hello again! So today we are doing another unboxing, and it's on another toaster, another drive thing. Toast. I call them toasters. Anyways, let's check it out. Boop. Okay, and lock our tripod, and whoop. So we have here a iDsonix smart interactive super speed USB 3 2.2 to 3.5 inch SATA HDD SSD docking station, supports offline cloning and up to 8 terabyte drives. And QR code, some information, and that's it. So I haven't even opened this yet, so let's see what it looks like. There we go. Bam! Okay. So we have our unit, and ooh, we have a nice power supply down here. It is 12 volts at 4 amp, so that's quite nice. It's hefty. We have a USB 3 D connector, or B connector, I really don't know, and a standard USB. We got a manual, and the manual is in English, all of it. Cool. And we have a we'd love to hear from you. Please review our product card. Okay, so let's check out the unit itself. Okay, so here is our unit. We have progress lights. There's a film on that. Plastic, there it goes. I hate that stuff. I like fingerprints. Anyways. So here is our toasters. So our source, our target, our progress, which is really nice. Brand logo. Nothing really on the bottom. And on the back we have our PC or clone switch. And it says there's, it has LEDs here for drive 1 and drive 2, so I'm wondering if this can be connected to a computer and both drives show up at the same time. That would be interesting to find out. And we have a start button, our USB 3D, our DC, and our power button. That's really it. So, let's check it out. You know me, I can't leave anything alone. And so much stuff anymore is built so identically that it's worth seeing what's inside. So if I can remember, I will put a card up there for the last one of these I took apart. Bigger bit. The only difference between this one and the last one I took apart, the last one was not a cloning device. So you could plug 2 drives into it and it would work just fine, but you couldn't clone with it. Oh, really? There's nothing there? Okay. Oh, there's nothing there. Oh, well. Whoa. Alright, well, one of our screws didn't make it during shipping. That broke right out of there. Okay. Wow, there's really nothing to this. So let's pull out this board and see what's on it. because it looks like it's going to be, oops, a bunch of nothing. Couple connectors and LED boards down there, LED board up there, but other than that, doesn't look like much of anything. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay. No, it comes out of there. Went in. Aha, there we go. Okay, so that's actually a little more than I expected. It has a speaker. Oop, wrong direction. There we go. So, wow, that's actually pretty interesting. So we have a piezo transducer or system speaker right there. We have our LED drivers. We have our buttons, our switch, a 4-pin header connector not filled there. We have our power section here. Couple capacitors, inductor, a 39 or 30 hertz or kilohertz, megahertz, I don't know, doesn't say. Clock there, and we have our chip, which is JMS561U, and I'm going to assume that that is our, come on dumbass, get in the frame, that is our USB 3 and SATA controllers, and I don't see any memory, so this literally must just one-for-one copy. We also have a masking down here of 6629US3-C main revision 2.0, manufactured 5/27/14. So manufactured a while back. I do want to point out this is magnetized. I don't know why, but it's got a slight magnetization to it. That's interesting. Anyways, I'm going to try to get that screw. There it is. Let it drop, then let's just put this thing back together. So, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to throw me a like and comment down below, because I like to know that you guys do like the videos and find them helpful if they are helpful. Come on. Oh, okay. But anyways, I'll get this back together and I'll let you take off. So, if you liked the video, hit that like button. If you disliked the video, you know that button works also. And as always, you will see me in the next video. Over here is a subscription link, and right here and here are some videos. Enjoy, and bye-bye.